Hey, how you doing? This is your buddy Tony at Country Boy Tested. I got a little tip here. This is for e-bike maintenance and storing these things. I keep mine. We got them out here in the building because I'm out here in the country, and you know, everybody don't have a garage built onto their house, and you might be like me and keep your e-bike way outside somewhere. They're locked up and everything, and it's just like nobody knows where I'm at. This is so far out in the woods. I ain't worried about nobody coming in here because I got cameras. Anywho, this is what we're going to discuss: your liquid crystal display. All of your e-bikes have one of these. What you want to do is, if you have sub-zero temperatures or cold temperatures that fall below freezing, this is a liquid crystal display. Make sure you get you an old sock, double it up a little bit, and you'll find it fits right over there. Now I'll put these on here, and the temp has dipped below freezing multiple times, but I thought about this. I used to do maintenance, machine maintenance, so this is just a free tip to help you keep your e-bike, because those liquid crystal displays are very expensive. I was going to do an upgrade to get the color one to put on this one, and it was almost $200. So after I realized how much one cost, I decided to make sure that I take very good care of mine, the one that I currently have on here. So this is simple. Just get you a sock, thicken it up a little bit, put it over your liquid crystal display, and that'll help keep it safe and keep it from freezing, and your screen won't crack or anything. Because I've had the screens on these things, those displays crack, like on the battery, that your maintenance battery on, like a forklift, where it tells you how many hours is on it. That liquid crystal display has been left out on one of those before in the cold, and it froze, and believe it or not, it just blacked out. It went completely black, and it broke inside. It froze inside. That's what caused it. So make sure you do take care of those. If you leave your bikes outside locked up or anything, you know, like we do, ours are all locked up. They ain't going nowhere. They got chains and everything. You got to take everything if you're gonna get one of these, and we gonna hear you, and you ain't coming out of here. So take care of your goodness and have a great day.